When you look at the reasoning behind this, first of all, can you say without a doubt that the Trump administration is much more America first, and that now it also extends to the tech sector, even if the acquirer, isn't from China, it's from Singapore, an ally of the U.S.?
Yeah, that's right, Francine. And crucially, isn't from China, isn't really even from Singapore, in as much as this is a company in transition coming back to the US. They obviously had this huge fanfare about that in November when Hock Tan joined Mr. Trump in the White House to talk about redomiciling to the US. At the time, Trump seemed extremely pro-Broadcom, said it was a great company, would be great for American jobs. So this is a very, very unexpected move. In regards to the tech sector has always been something that CFIUS has been fairly strong on in terms of trying to block deals that they thought were bad for the national security interest. But this is very unexpected, and particularly the presidential order at this stage, because bear in mind, these companies haven't even agreed to do a deal yet. All we were really looking at here was Broadcom trying to get a slate of directors onto Qualcomm's board so they could potentially then negotiate some kind of transaction.
But so, Ed, what is the president concerned about? Is it 5G, or is the fact that actually in this, if the deal had gone through, then it gives Huawei, the Chinese Huawei, an entry into the U.S.?
The Huawei question is a really interesting one. It doesn't actually, there's nothing apparent about Broadcom that would give Huawei some entrance into the US. And actually, I spoke to some people close to Broadcom after the meeting they had with Treasury yesterday. They were extremely positive. You had Henry Samueli, the chief technology officer of Broadcom, and Hock Tan himself were in those discussions. They felt it went well. They genuinely seemed to not understand what the national security concerns were regarding Broadcom. So it's very unclear why Trump has made this executive order.